rain suit from Blackfish was designed for those who need to stay dry all day. Utilizing patented event technology, the Endure has one of the highest combinations of waterproof and breathability ratings available in an outdoor garment. With a durable, tear-resistant outer fabric, the Endure is the perfect rain suit for nasty cold weather fishing. A few key features include waterproof and breathable, with a waterproof rating of 30K and a breathability rating of 11K. The Endure keeps water out and lets your body breathe, so you're not wet from your own perspiration. Durable. DV Expedition 3-layer construction means a weatherproof and durable suit that stands up to the elements, perfect for cold weather and transitional fishing seasons. Washing enhances breathability. Event fabric is designed with billions of microscopic pores that let your body breathe. Repeat and frequent washing keep the pores open that retain the high breathability factor without losing the waterproof qualities from the outside. Comfort. Adjustable waist hook and loop on the bibs provide support without a belt, reducing shoulder fatigue. Silicone strips on the shoulder straps keep the bib strap from sliding off your shoulder. Features that make the difference: a waterproof storm flap, adjustable cuff with stretch PVC, and taped seams all add to a high-quality suit that is 100% waterproof. And a baffled vent design keeps your hood on at high speeds. Quality brand elements: waterproof zippers, 3M reflective logos for safety, and easy clip magnetic bib straps round out the exceptional features that set the Endure apart. If you need all-day protection, no matter what the weather, choose the Endure Rain Suit by Blackfish, because you can't choose the weather.